Hello friends, welcome to my channel again, coaching center. So today I'm going to explain your 12th standard 15 chapter communication system part 2 video. So last video I have stopped here. Here I have stopped sky waves. So sky waves, in this sky waves a range of from a few image, that is millihertz, up to 30 to 40 megahertz long distance it can travel in the air, and it extends in the height of 65 kilometer to about 400 kilometer above to the particles it can, and it can travel in the high, say like this it will travel here. Yes, you are seeing the image. And space wave, so space wavelength, another mode of radio propagation is by space waves. A space wave travels in a straight line, it travels in a straight line and receives the message from the antenna, and it has about a frequency above 40 meter hertz. Communication is established, we can establish the communication, and here you can see, and the formula for them is dm is equal to 2h or plus root 2h or is the air communication formula. Here you can see from television broadcasting, microwave link, satellite communication, and some other example of the communication system that use space wave mode of propagation. And next is modulation and its necessity. Modulation and its necessity. So the popular communication system is to transmit information or message signal. So message signal is called as baseband signal, it is also called as, and that goes in a frequency of 20 kilohertz frequency it travels. And also next is size of antenna or aerial. So for transmitting a signal we need an antenna or an aerial. This antenna should be a size of at least delta lambda by 4 is the in dimension, so that the antenna properly senses the time variation, and the frequency of it should be 200 kilohertz, and delta is lambda is 15 kilometer, and 1 millihertz it should be. So effective power radiation, so here it should be by L by lambda whole square, and L is length, and it should and power radiation increase with decreasing of lambda. When lambda decrease, power radiation increases. So mixing up of signals from different transmitters. So another important argument against transmitting baseband signal directly is not practical in nature. Suppose many people are talking at the same time, or many transmitter are transmitting the baseband information, the signal simultaneously. All these signal will get mixed up, and there is no simple way to distinguish between them. They both will be mixed up. So the above argument suggests that there is need of translating the original low frequency based band message or information signal into high frequency wave before transmitting. It should be high frequency, and a sinusoidal carrier wave can be represented as CT is equal to AC sine WCT plus MT set. These are the some type of frequency modulation. First is amplitude modulation, frequency modulation, and phase modulation are shown in this diagram. And amplitude modulation. What is this amplitude modulation means? So the amplitude modulation is the amplitude of the carrier is varied in according to the information of signal. So there will be verification in the amplitude according to the information that wavelength or that contains. So it can be written as AC plus AM sin MT plus sin WCT. So like that only we'll solve it, and we'll get the formula as CT is equal to AC sin WCT plus UAC by 2 cos WC minus WM plus WMT minus UAC by 2 cos WC plus WM by T bracket T. Next is production of amplitude modulation wave. So first it will go to here CD, and then source slot device it will go. From there it will go band paste filter centered, it will go there, it will get filter and it will come. So here block diagram of a transmitter. So message signals will go to the amplitude modulator carrier and power amplituder, and there it will and there from there it will get transmitting antenna or antennas, it will get the direction where it has to go. Next is detection of amplitude modulate wave. So what happened means receiving signal it will come the so block diagram of a receiver, how it receives. So from receiver antenna the message will be received and the signal will come to the amplifier. If stage it will travel, then it will get detected, or it will detect and amplifier, and it will come output means they will hear that what is there. So here am wave it will be like that, and it will go to receptor, then B time it will be like this, and then it see that again time, and the output will be like this in the block T of the quantity y axis. In the y axis it will be like this. So this was your chapter, the communication system. So okay friends, I think you understand all the topics of this chapter. So okay friends, like the video, comment on my video, and subscribe my channel name in coaching center for more video. I will explain the next topic in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye friends.